There is a difference there. It's obviously with between the developed and the developing nations, tier 1, tier 2, in terms of resources. But we've been very lucky with, we can't talk about sponsors, can we? So our sponsors have been very good. World Rugby's been great support of us. We've prepared with what we've got the best we can. And I think, maybe you don't get those luxuries of the sports psychologists, but we're lucky we've got other things in terms of, we were able to bring a talatala in, our reverend who came in, who is kind of you talk about mental well-being, it's our mental well-being, being in connection with our religion, being in connection with our people. Our game and campaign being geared towards important to us as Fijians. So we have those sort of things, but there is, we always want more. You want always more resources, but you have to make do with what's the best you have. I'll take more matches over resources. The more matches we get at this level, talking outside the World Cup, if Fiji can get those tier 1 matches more regularly, you've seen what these boys can do when they get that regular competition. I don't like to make the comparison between the two because it's two different programs.